It's Girl Code here. You guys love my VS Code setup and I'm going to be showing you how to make yours just as cute and more interactive. The first step is to open up the extensions panel by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and X. Here you can search for things like colors and themes that fit your aesthetic. An easy trick for this part is to type the color you would like and the word theme. Feel free to browse until you find the theme that is perfect for you. I love a pink theme, so I'm just going to type pink theme and see what pops up. The light pink theme with the dolphin icon is actually the one that I use on Girl Code, so let's go through the details about it. The more you look through the details, you'll see that some extensions will show you the theme and how it'll look on your code. Now that I'm satisfied with the theme that I see, we're just going to install it. If you watched my last video and you're wondering how I'm able to see my website as I code, I use the Live Server extension. So here we're going to type Live Server and install that as well. This is not really for aesthetics, but it just helps make the coding process easier so you can see exactly what you're working on as you do it. To use the live server, you need to go to your code and at the bottom it says Go Live. Click that and now watch as your code shows the result on the browser. But want to see something even cooler? Go ahead and type something in the editor. Now click Ctrl S. Look how your browser automatically updates as you type. This is so helpful to see the results of what you're typing and not having to keep running it. Lastly, pets. Yes, that's right. You can have fuzzy friends on our VS Code. For your pets, search up VS Code Pets in the extension and install it. It should look like this. Let's go back to our code to see our pets. Wait, where are they? Well, we need to actually spawn them. So click Ctrl Shift P. Click on the one that says Spawn Pet. Click through any of the pet options. You can have more than one pet, so you can have one or all of them if you would like. I'm gonna spawn in a bunny since my icon is a bunny. Now we can choose its color and name it. And boom, our pets keep us company on the bottom as we code. How cute! Well, that's the end of this video. Many people were requesting a visual VS Code tutorial, so comment below any more requests and I will do my best to fulfill them. Thank you guys for your support and have a great day.